Welcome to Bestsellers Market, your ultimate destination for uncovering the top products that people just can't get enough of. Whether you're here for the latest gadgets, home essentials, or innovative solutions, we've got you covered with the hottest, most sought-after items on the market. Today we're diving into a niche that's all about protection, peace of mind, and keeping your valuables secure. That's right, we're counting down the best-selling cable security devices available on Amazon. These products are the unsung heroes of safeguarding your tech and more, and they've earned their spot for a reason. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Number 3 on our countdown of the best-selling cable security devices is an impressive solution for those who value security and versatility. Introducing the Universal Coiled Security Cable, a powerhouse in a compact, sleek design. This product isn't just a cable. It's peace of mind coiled into a durable, flexible form. Imagine having 20 of these high-quality cables, each one ready to secure your valuable devices, whether it's in a bustling office, a busy retail environment, or even at home. This isn't just about security, it's about convenience. Each cable is equipped with an adhesive hook and loop fastener tape, allowing you to secure and unsecure with ease. No fumbling, no frustration. But that's not all. Each pack also comes with double-sided tape, ensuring that once your devices are tethered, they stay that way. Whether you're anchoring a remote control in a busy household or securing a device in a high-traffic area, this cable stands up to the challenge. The coiled design means that while the cable is compact and unobtrusive when not in use, it can extend as needed, offering both flexibility and strength. You get security without sacrificing style or practicality. This is more than just a product. It's a solution that adapts to your needs, offering you the freedom to secure what matters most, wherever you are. With the Universal Coiled Security Cable, you're not just buying a cable, you're investing in reliability and peace of mind. Securing the second spot on our countdown is a true titan in the world of cable security. Meet the Kensington MicroSaver 2.0 keyed Ultra Cable Lock. This isn't just any lock. This is a finely engineered masterpiece designed to keep your most important devices exactly where they belong, safe, secure, and protected. Crafted by Kensington, a name synonymous with innovation and trust, this cable lock is more than a security tool. It's a statement that says, I value my technology and I won't compromise on its safety. With its ultra-carbon cable, you're getting strength without the bulk, power without the weight. This isn't your typical lock. It's ultra-light yet ultra-strong, blending the best of both worlds to create an impenetrable barrier between your devices and potential threats. Now let's talk about versatility. The MicroSaver 2.0 isn't limited to just laptops. Whether you're securing a desktop, monitor, or other valuable devices, this lock delivers unmatched protection. It's designed to be as adaptable as it is strong, fitting seamlessly into a variety of environments, be it a corporate office, a bustling cafe, or even a student dorm room. The keyed locking mechanism is a blend of simplicity and security, offering an easy-to-use yet robust defense against theft. No need to worry about forgetting passwords or setting combinations. Just a solid, dependable key that gets the job done every time. This is security elevated to an art form. The Kensington MicroSaver 2.0 keyed Ultra Cable Lock isn't just about locking down devices. It's about unlocking peace of mind. With this cable lock, you're not just securing hardware, you're safeguarding your digital life. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling cable security devices on Amazon? Well, don't leave us hanging. Make sure to lock in your support by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss out on securing the latest and greatest. And here we are, at the pinnacle of our countdown, the #1 best-selling cable security device on Amazon. The one product that has captured the trust of thousands, offering a perfect blend of simplicity, strength, and reliability. Introducing the RUBAN Notebook Lock and Security Cable. At first glance, this sleek 6.2-foot cable may seem unassuming, but don't be fooled. Made from incredibly strong, durable steel, this cable is your device's first line of defense against theft. Whether you're securing a notebook, laptop, or desktop, if it has a security slot, the RUBAN is your go-to guardian. This isn't just a lock, it's peace of mind in physical form. With 2 keys included, you've got a spare on hand just in case. The installation? It's as easy as it gets. Just a few simple steps and your device is locked down, secure from prying hands. But here's where the RUBAN truly shines. Compatibility. It's designed to fit the standard 1/4 by 1/8 inch, 7 by 3 mm security slot found in most devices. However, it's always a good idea to double-check the slot size on your device. If it's a match, you're golden. If not, no worries. RUBAN's got you covered with other options to suit your needs. And let's not overlook the 18-month warranty. That's 18 months of assured protection against any manufacturing defects, giving you one more reason to choose RUBAN as your trusted security partner. In the fast-paced world of technology, where devices are constantly on the move, having a security solution you can count on is not just important, it's essential. The RUBAN Notebook Lock and Security Cable isn't just about keeping your devices safe, it's about keeping your mind at ease. With RUBAN, security is simple, strong, and always reliable. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling cable security devices on Amazon. If you want to stay in the loop with all the top products, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the best-selling items we covered today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.